a sign here? No. I thought that might have been us. But that's Fontein, which I can quite clearly say is not us. But I guess this is what they call the bushveld, right? Stretching long views of this whatever vegetation-y thing. It's only 60 k's to Zeerust, which is the next big town just before the border. Well, I don't know how far before the border. So the stretch tomorrow, I don't think it's going to be that long. So I'm expecting Groot Marico to jump out of the bush at us at any point. Let me show you the side view. The camera, I'm not sure, the GoPro, I think the GoPro tries to keep the horizon level, so that might have stayed level. I'll see on the replay, or because the stalk isn't oriented exactly, so when you turn it sideways it goes a bit skonky. But let's see what the GoPro did. Alright, signing off.